everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Super Saturday video that is going to go up on Sunday because it was very technical and hard to make, and so I didn't get it done on Saturday. But it's going up Sunday. So anyways, what we're gonna do is, I haven't done my nails for you guys in a long time, and I thought we would do a cute little Valentine's Day nail thing, and I would show you everything, and anything I don't show you, it will be that I use will be listed below this video, so that you can, and you don't have to buy it through the link, but you can go to the link and see the product, what it looks like and stuff, if I didn't show it to you. So I will list everything below. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you at the end. We're gonna get started, and we're gonna be doing, these are the nails that I use, and this is a command hook, and on the command hook I have some putty, and this is just that tacky stuff you use to put pictures on the wall and stuff, and then I put my nails on it like this. Let's see if we can get some more light here. Is that better? That's better. So this is what it looks like right now. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see it very well, but anyways, I'm just going to do a couple of nails for you. And first what I do is I just take my block and I kind of buff off the shine, which I should have done while I was waiting, because this has been a heck of a project to try and get this to film on my phone, because I'm filming on my phone and I'm using my laptop. What is this? Oh, I need to move my light over here maybe, so as not to get shadows. Nope, I'm gonna get shadows no matter what. Okay, so we're just gonna get the shine off, and then, oops, it's gonna fall off. Stick it back down there. Take my little guy like that, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint it so I can show you how I'm going to do it, because that's what we're supposed to be doing. And I'm going to use this color. This is Red Carpet Nail Manicure, and this color is Simply Adorable. Oh, you can't even see it. Oh, there's the camera. Simply Adorable. Can you see that? No. This is really hard to do. Anyways, that's what color it is. 107 Simply Adorable. And it's just a really pale pink. And I am going to put a light coat on here. Get some of that off there. And then just put a light coat on. I can't tell. There, that should do it. Oh, I did forget to get that little notch off. And then I'm going to cook it. Right over here is my dryer. So I'm just going to go ahead and start buffing some more of them while we wait for that to cook. Okay, we're going to put another coat on here of the pink. This one is going to be a thicker coat. And cook it again. I have just not been really up to snuff as far as making videos. I know I've missed several But hopefully, I'm not 100% yet, but I'm a lot better than I was. I had zero energy to do anything. I haven't even left the house for days, for weeks actually. Okay, next for our look is, I'm going to put this is what we're using. It is Red Carpet Manicure, and this is LED nail gel polish, and this color is Hollywood Royalty. I know you can't read that, but that's what it says, and it's like a gold glittery stuff. And I just take a little bit on the end of the brush, and I just put a drop right there on the tip, and then I just kind of spread those little sparkles out. Actually, I think I got not enough. I didn't shake it up, so the glitter's all on the bottom. All right, now that's better. So I just take and I put a little blob on the end so that I get nice and sparkly. And then I just push them around till they're how I want them to be. And then I'm going to get some of this off and move them a little bit more. And that is it. And then I'm going to cook it again. And then I'm going to put a top coat on it, and that is going to be the look we are doing this week. And this one is done. I just need to put on my clear coat. And I always use a no wipe top coat. Seal in all the pretties. And cook it one more time. And then I'm going to go back and do all the rest of them. And then I will come back and show you the finished, oh, it's not cooking. There. Show you the finished product and put them on. Okay, it's done. And that is what we are going to be putting on this week. These little pink ones with some gold sparkle on them. I thought that would be kind of good for Valentine's Day. This is what it's gonna look like. It's sticking up, I know. But it's pretty, isn't it? I think it's pretty. So I will let this one set a little longer, and I will do the rest, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, guys, that's it. I did my nails, and I showed you how, and this is how they turned out. Can you see them? I don't know if I can get them to where you can actually see how beautiful they turned out. I have to keep it in front of my face, but you can't really see. Oh, there, now you can see the gold sparkles. They're just really pretty pale pink with gold sparkles. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.